Hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It. Today is day 6, the last day, day 1, however you want to look at it, in our 6 days of Christmas. I have done Rudolph, I have done the Nutcracker, Santa Claus, Mrs. Claus, and the Snowman. Today, I'm going to knock things over. Today we are going to be doing a present, a gift. This beautiful, beautiful color by Modelones. It is Dreamy Silver. Beautiful, beautiful color. I think I already said that, didn't I? It's like crushed diamonds almost. I just love this color. That's what color we have in the nail. We've got 2 coats for full opacity. I did slightly put a really thin top coat on it. Ding! I have got my palette here that we've had going all week long. I'm going to load up my brush with some red. That's what color we're going to be working with our red. Oops. See how well I can do the straight line. Not too bad. Not too bad, not too bad, but I am going to get my cleanup brush and some isopropyl alcohol and do just a little bit of cleanup. So it is Christmas Eve. Everybody's getting ready for the big day tomorrow. I've got my bird ready to go in the oven tomorrow morning. We're also having a spiral ham. Can't wait. I'm excited for the family to come over. I pop this bad boy in. I guess I should draw the other line, shouldn't I? Now I'm going to pop it in for 30 seconds. Could do a flash cure, but what the heck, gives me a moment to chat. If you're not already subscribed, please do so on this Christmas Eve. No matter where you are in this world, it's Christmas Eve. So, join me with my little few minute video. Subscribe to my channel, spread some Christmas cheer. And no matter where you are, I hope you have a blessed day. Hope you have a blessed Christmas. This isn't the end, even though I just said that. Hope you really have a great holiday. There we go. We are going to put our ribbon on it. And here I become quiet, because I'm trying to concentrate. Freehand is not my forte. Oops. Not the worst ribbon in the world, but probably not the best. I'm going to clean my brush off in the isopropyl alcohol. Let that self-level for a moment. Let me comment down below. Let me know what your plans are tonight. Are you staying home, celebrating with the family? I myself am going to church at 11. We have a candlelit service. It's really beautiful. We do this to ring in the birth of Jesus Christ, which a lot of people forget that is the meaning of the season. The reason for the season. So, I popped this in. I'm going to cure it for 60. Regardless for your reason of celebrating. Hope you're doing something with someone. So let me know down below. If you are new here, please leave me a comment so I know you came. Hope you're having a Merry Christmas. And after this little series is over, which will be tonight, I may paint my nails later and film it. I'm not sure. Put that up before I go to church. I've got red gel. God, what was I opening? I got some 5D cat eye gel in the mail yesterday. I was playing with it earlier today, and yeah, it's all over me. So I was doing that. But yeah, I'm going to church tonight, coming home after midnight, and starting some prep work. There's our little gift. Not my best ribbon work, but not my worst, probably, maybe, I don't know. I really like this top coat. Got it off AliExpress when I ordered, what's the brand called? I Love Carrie. So I've top coated. I'm going to let that sit for just a minute to soft level. But this is it. It's called Natural Color and I can't see it. Something Infinite Possibility. And it says Super Shine Top Coat. It is. I do like this. Just trying to experiment with another top coat. I'm going to cure this for 60. Normally I either use Modelones top coat or P&D. But I had this in my case and I figured, why not? We'll give it a whirl. So we've been giving it a whirl through our little series here of 6 Days of Christmas. Whoops. But yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. But for the Modelones, I do have a 10% off code down in the description box, along with all my other discount codes. You can go on there on the website, put my code in, save yourself 10% off your bill. And who doesn't want that, right? Right. So here's a group I'm going to show you once this comes out of the lamp, all 6 nails that I have done through the 6 days of Christmas. For a little group shot. But I think they turned out really well. It was definitely out of my comfort zone. But I had fun. So here we are. This is all the nails together, starting with Rudolph, the Nutcracker, Santa, and Mrs. Claus. Yesterday was the snowman, and today, to bring it up, we had the present. So this is my 6 days of Christmas. I hope you have enjoyed. Let me comment down below. Let me know what you think of my group. And as always, I hope you have subscribed, and I thank the people who have been here, who have supported me. It really means the world to me. It really, really does. So I will leave you with that. Thank you. Love you. Merry Christmas. Have a blessed day.